Ayan guys, good evening. Gutom na sila. It's already 6 o'clock. Kararating ko lang guys. So, let's go. Let's feed them. First day of feeding them. So, dahil kaninang umaga, kumain sila ng wet food guys. So, for tonight is, I will give them dry food. Just that's much. Diba guys, napaka-ano ng mga pusang ito. Ayan. So, yeah. Let's give it to them because they are too hungry na. Yan. Okay, come here. Lily. Lily, you have to eat, okay? This is Lily. This is Terry and Louie. Parehas sila ng kulay, guys. Terry and Louie. And this is kalimutan ko to. Saan ang pangalan? Nakalimutan ko na tuloy. Nag-Alzheimer na ang inyong kunyang, guys. Ito naman si Loki. Napaka-naughty na siya ngayon. Nagha-hide na siya. Hiding na siya sa akin, guys. Yan. That's for their dinner. First day of stay 2025, guys. Yan. Yearly ako nandito, guys. Twice a year. Pupunta ako dito ng December. And then, December and summer, guys. And oh yeah, I remember Madam says, this is for me. Look at that, guys. Let's check what have inside. Kasi may message niya sa akin, guys, sa akin. Wow. May greetings pa pala dito. Hindi ko maintindihan, guys. So, this is the one. Chilling. This is what is inside. Ano to? Shower gel. And this one, I don't know. And this is, di ko alam, guys. Di ko maintindihan kung ano yan. Ito siguro lotion. Yan, di ba? Thank you, madam, for this one. Yan, guys. Hanggang dito na lang ulit, guys, ang ating video with the cats. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. And hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa bago kong upload, guys. Thank you so much. Good night.